This thing's pretty tight on my head. Is yours really tight?
Good morning. I just pinched my fingers so hard. You ever do something that hurts so bad you just want to throw up? Okay, good morning. I have some big news. What is going on? Let me go take a shower. About the whole shower sequence. Thought it might look cool. Kind of looked weird. Just doing some skincare out of the shower. My face is so dry. I think I'm gonna let my hair air dry, so this is what I'm gonna look like for a bit. But I have some big news. Jace isn't here to share it with me, but something insane happened yesterday. Okay, so basically we're moving randomly out of nowhere. Literally just decided yesterday. So I'm always on my phone, of course, looking at different homes, and eventually we want to buy something, but we're still not sure like if this is the area. So while I was browsing homes for sale and things like that, we found something that we think we would really like to live in, and so we're gonna move there. Surprise! So that's the big announcement. We have to pack this house, clean it, repaint the walls that we painted, and move in the next like 3.5 weeks. My anxiety level is up here. We're not planning to move. Even when we went to look at the house, we were like, we're probably not gonna move, but like we might as well go look at it. It's such a vibe of a house. It's very old, and we're excited to make some renovations to it and just turn it into kind of our little dream vintage home. When we moved into this house, we kind of just wanted to get into the area of Palm Springs and see if this is where we wanted to live, and we love it here. I've had some mental issues here because I have no friends out here, or I don't see anybody, so I'm alone a lot of the time. But that being said, I think this year is going to be different, and this move is really fresh and just a change of scenery. I'm feeling a little bit crazy about it because change is hard, and I'm just like looking around at all the stuff we've done in this place that won't be at the new one, but it's exciting, it's scary. I will miss this house dearly. We love it here. We love this house. It's like, this house is brand new. We're the first people to live in it, and it's been nice, but something I've realized is that moving into a house that's very like blank and everything is white and gray, you have to do so much to make it feel cozy and like a home, like painting the walls, and just like, this house is shaped kind of like a rectangle, so there's no character to the house basically. And so that's been really hard with decorating it and not spending too much on it because obviously we don't own the place. And so just random things like that around here it's been hard to make it feel super cozy and like a home. We've done the best that we can do with it, but you're gonna die when you see the new place. It's like stepping back in time, and it's so cool, and I think we're gonna be able to do some really cool stuff. I'll share more on that later, and I'll show you the place whenever we can go over there, but for now, there's so much to do. Like, I need to declutter this entire place. I need to go through my closet and just get rid of things. Like, I have drawers and drawers and drawers of clothes that don't fit me, and I've talked about this so much, but they're still in there, and I just need to really get rid of everything that's not my vibe and start over. So that's what I'm gonna do. Depop is gonna be popping off this weekend. I think I'm gonna upload like all of my A Goldie jeans that just don't fit me anymore. They're like brand new, worn once or twice because I bought them and then I gained a bunch of weight. It's just time to start fresh, and this move is gonna be a fresh start. So I have a lot to do. I'm gonna go get some work done on the computer. Weekly vlogs are back, by the way, and I just need a little time off from that, but we're back now. So I'm gonna go, I have some work stuff to do, boring stuff to vlog, but I'll be back later to show you what we're doing.
I don't know. This felt like the thing to do.
You just wanted to match me?
We're moving.
Mm-hmm.
Just to the other side of town, not that far. So it's less stressful than last time. And it's gonna be easy. I feel like for some reason
It's gonna be easy.
I feel like for some reason you seem more stressed than our last move, but our last move was so crazy, like nothing could ever top that. So just we're gonna be all
Unless
right.
the movers break everything and the whole house floods and we can't move in for 2 weeks.
That's not gonna happen this time. So.
I think maybe those feelings are coming back up for me because of how traumatic the last move was.
I think so too, because I'm looking around and you're like, we have so much to do. We have all this stuff. I'm like, not really.
No, we do.
It's not that crazy.
I think you're severely underestimating.
No.
This thing's pretty tight on my head.
Mhm.
Is yours really tight? Is it supposed to be like cutting off circulation in your brain?
It's a little tight, but it shouldn't hurt you.
I feel like I'm being like someone's squeezing my hand. So what's first? I'm taking care of the lawn and all that?
Yeah, you gotta do it outside. I'm gonna go through the closet, I think. So do we have any of those big trash bags, the black ones? We have to take down in my office all the shag wall and the leopard wall that I feel like we just put up for like 3 months ago. You go beast mode outside. Wait, can you feed the boys? They're
Yes.
hungry.
You hungry, Nick? You ate all your food?
We're going into what I like to call the danger zone. My closet. Our new closet is much smaller and it's shaped funny, so we can't even take these built-ins. And this is the same thing that happened at our old house. We couldn't take our built-ins with us. So in here, I really need to downsize. There's just like drawers of stuff that I don't even use. Like this drawer is all like hair scarves and whatnot. And I guess a belt is in here, but I just never go in there. And then this one down here is even more like belts and stuff. And like sunglass holders, containers. What's the word? Why can't I think of the word? Pouch? I don't know. We got that, and then over here we have my drawer of workout clothes that I just I never wear. There's so much stuff going on in here that needs to be organized. All my shoes. I haven't even worn probably any of these in like a year, so I just really need to downsize. My makeup need to organize, so I'm gonna do that. Jay seems to think that this is gonna be so quick and easy of a move, but I've been in here for like 30 minutes and it looks so much worse. So I've cleared out all of my bags on that side only. This is all stuff I'm keeping. I haven't even touched over there, but I've started to go through like all the clothes through everything. And so here is some shoes and bags in here that will be either going on Depop, or maybe I just need to have a garage sale. I don't even know. This is full of so many items that I'm getting rid of on Depop or garage sale, who knows. This is a donate pile over here. Things are just getting so much more messy going through stuff. And I started to go through shoes, but everything in here is so dusty. So it is looking way worse, and I don't have too much time. The girls from Give Beauty are coming over to bring me some stuff, and then Gwen invited me to go to her concert tonight. She's playing in La Quinta, and I was supposed to go. She invited me to go see The Voice, the finale. I ended up not being able to go, and I felt so bad, but she invited me to this, so I'm excited. Me and my mom are gonna go tonight. It's like an early concert too, because it's like a golf tournament, and so it's like probably a bunch of old people, to be honest. And I love that because my bedtime is also 8 p.m. But we have so much work to do here. I'm just looking around in disbelief. So I'm gonna stop this here because everyone's mad. On Instagram I posted a picture saying I had something to tell you later, and then I didn't say anything yet, so I need to upload this immediately so people stop yelling at me and get to work. This house is going to be chaotic for the rest of time. But weekly vlogs are back, so I'll be taking you along on this transition period again. So see you next time. Bye.